Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will learn how to solve examples from problem set 2, question number 3 to 6 from the chapter Pythagoras theorem. Question number 3. In triangle RST, angle S is equal to 90 degree, angle T is equal to 30 degree, RT, length RT is given as 12 centimeter. We have to find RS and ST. Now in triangle RST, angle S is equal to 90, which is given. Angle T is equal to 30 degree is given. Therefore, we know that sum of the measures of angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So you have 90 plus 30, that is 90 plus 30, 120. So 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degree. So therefore, measure angle R is equal to 60 degree, measure of remaining angle of the triangle. Measure of remaining angle of triangle. Since sum of the measures of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now this triangle is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem tells us that side opposite to 30 degree, that is RS, is half the length of the hypo. Here hypo is RT, and side opposite to 60 degrees, root 3 upon, that is ST is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the length of the hypo. So here RS is equal to half the length of the hypotenuse, that is RT, side opposite to 60, side opposite to 30 degree, side opposite to 30 is half the length of the hypo. So RS is equal to 1 upon 2, RT is 12, 2 1 are 2, 6 are, that is 6 centimeter. Now side opposite to 60 degree, that is ST is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the length of the hypo, that is RT, side opposite to 60 degree. Therefore, ST is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 12, 2 1 are 2, 6 are, which is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Fourth example, find the diagonal of rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter and area is 192 square centimeter. So let us consider quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle whose length is given. So let BC be 16 centimeter and area is given. Area of rectangle is given as 192 centimeter square. So here we have to find length of the diagonal AC. AC is the diagonal. So first we have to find the length of side. What is the breadth of the rectangle? So first, using the area formula of area of rectangle, know that area of rectangle is given as 192 centimeter square. So area of rectangle, formula to calculate area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to 192. So here length is given as 16. 16 into breadth is equal to 192. So here we consider breadth as AB. So 16 will divide. So breadth AB is equal to 192 upon 60. 192 divided by 16 1 are 16. 16 1 are 16. Carry 3. 16 2 are, which is equal to 12 centimeter. So let breadth of the rectangle here is AB is 12 centimeter. Length is 16 centimeter. Now triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find diagonal AC, we have to find diagonal AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse, that is AC is the hypotenuse, is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, where 12 AB square and BC is 16. So AC square is equal to 12 AB square plus 16 square. So AC square is equal to 12 square 144 plus 16 square is 256. Adding both, AC square is equal to 400. Taking square root of both the sides, AC is equal to 20 centimeters. So answer, length of the diagonal, rectangle is 20 centimeters. Find the length of the side and the perimeter of equilateral triangle whose height is root 3 centimeter. So let us consider your triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, here let us consider equilateral triangle. We know that each angles of equilateral triangle, here angle B is 60 degree. So angle of equilateral triangle, angle B, major angle B is 60 degree. Each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Now let height AD is perpendicular to side BC. Here AD is perpendicular height, AD is equal to root 3. Now let us consider in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle B is equal to 60. Angle ADB is equal to 90. Therefore, the angle, measure of remaining angle here, 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 is 150. So sum of the measures of angles of the triangle is 180 degree. 180 minus 150 is 30 degree. So here therefore measure angle BAD is equal to 30 degree. Measure of remaining angle of the triangle. Measure of remaining angle of triangle. So now this triangle, in triangle ABD, by 30, 60, 90 degree, by 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. Know that we have to find here, this height is given, we have to find side of the triangle. This AB is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So side opposite to 60 degree, realize length height is given. So side opposite to 60 degree, that is AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the length of the hypo, that is side AB, that is side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degrees, root 3 upon 2 times the hypo. Now here AD is given, root 3 is equal to root 3 upon 2 into AB, length AB. Therefore side AB is equal to, here from both sides root 3 will get cancelled, and AB, side AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Length of side AB is 2 centimeter. Now as all sides of the triangle, equilateral triangle are equal. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by side. The length of side is AB, that is 2. So perimeter is 6 centimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. In triangle ABC, segment AP is the median. If BC is equal to 18 units, AB square plus AC square is 260. Find length of median AP. So here BC is equal to 18. AP is the median. P is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, here BP equal to 1 upon 2 BC. So BP equal to 1 upon 2 into 18. That is length BP is equal to 2 ones are 2 nines are, that is 9 units. So here length BP, P is the midpoint, so BP is 9 units. Now in triangle ABC, segment AP is the median. Whenever there is median, then should remember Apollonius theorem. Okay, you have to solve this example by Apollonius theorem. So by Apollonius theorem, the Apollonius theorem is the adjacent sides, sum of the squares of adjacent side, that is AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times the length of the median square, 2AP square plus 2BP square. Now substituting the value, AB square plus AC square, which is given as 260. Therefore 260 is equal to 2 into AP, we have to find AP square, plus 2 into BP is equal to 9, so 9 square. Therefore 260 is equal to 2 times AP square plus 2 into 9 square is 81. So 2 times AP square plus 2 into 9 square, 81. Therefore 260 is equal to 2 AP square plus 81 into 2, that is 162. Therefore 2 AP square is equal to 260. We get subtract here 162. We get subtracted from 260 minus 162. Therefore 2 AP square is equal to, subtracting here 10 minus 2 8, 15 minus 9, that is 98. Therefore AP square is equal to 98 upon 2. Therefore AP square is equal to 98. 1s are, we have 4s are, 1 carry, 9, 49. So AP is equal to square root, taking square root of both the sides, 7 units. So here the length of the median of the triangle is, the length of the median AP of a triangle ABC is 7 units.